later model Thunderbird, just in a unique specialty in classics. 2002 Ford Thunderbird Convertible. Now this particular car will come with the hard top and the soft top. We'll get around to that in just a second. Got the hard top sitting at the rear of the car. Underneath the hood, 3.9 liter V8 powered. That is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, this particular color combination. Black exterior with the black and red interior. Now if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of the car, engine bay interior, I have the car pictured with the top up, hard top on, top down. So you can check out the still pictures, all the way this car will look at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call too, 507-386-1726. This particular car was with the original owner for 16 years. So long-term ownership there. Now it has about 108,000 roughly on it. It does appear that it's had a little paint work along the line if they refreshed the black paint. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, so they might have had some maybe issues with the clear, or they just wanted to freshen up the paint some, so you can see it has had a little paint work done to it. Nice one to get in and drive. Put the top down, go enjoy yourself. Take a look up and down the passenger side here. I mean, you can see the paint still has a nice luster to it, decent reflection coming off the wall back there. Interior, again, leather, black and red combination. Of course, center console, and then your shifter down on the floor there. Power steering, power brakes, AC, dual climate control. As far as the AC goes, it does blow cool. Technicians that looked at it said it could use a recharge to get colder, but the AC does function, does blow cool. You may want to have a recharge if you wanted it to blow any colder. Now, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As far as some of the things that are going to come with this, now here's the hard top. I'm going to put that on and take the pictures at the end here, and we're also going to put up the soft top so you can see that in the video. But check out the still pictures and check the hard top actually on the car. Again, you can see a nice reflection coming off of that. The stand that is with the red padding there, that is our stand. We'll stay at the shop, but this one does have the foldable stand that you can put in your garage when you take it off. So that stand will be in the trunk and go with it, as well as that bag that has a car cover in it. So we're going to send that with the car. We can ship the car with the hard top on, soft top down, and that stand in the trunk. You're going to get everything that you see there if you were to purchase this vehicle. Still pictures, once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Riding on the stock chrome wheels, what it came with. Take a look up and down the passenger side of this car. There's a reflection all the way to our front door. As far as the top, it is a black cloth top, as you can see. We'll put that up in just a bit, show you what kind of shape it's in. It is power also. Power top does work. Let's go ahead and take a look at the condition of the interior. So power windows, power mirrors, power locks. Door panel, nice shape. Carpeting, nice shape in the car. All right, as far as the seats, you can see your typical where you get your leather, just the way it wrinkles and natural wear of leather. But again, considering age and miles, nice shape. Red inlays look good. I'd say similar condition, if not a little bit better, as far as on the passenger side. Let's go ahead and start this up. We'll check the exact miles for you. Of course, steering wheel controls. Did have the steering wheel controls working as far as the radio goes, volume, changing the channel, all that. All right, we'll get her started here. Now, first off, down here, 108,000. There's your miles. Again, original miles. First owner had this car. Original person that bought it brand new, 16 years. No warning indicators, anything like that on. Just the seatbelt lights, since I don't have that on. Stereo system with 6 CD changer. Stereo does work. Had the wipers working earlier also. Dual climate control. Of course, here is the power top. Take a look at the dash. All of that in good shape. Let's go ahead and run this top up. While we're in here, we'll put it up. And when we hop out, we can check to see the condition of it. Let's see if I can get it latched with one hand here. Easier said than done. All right, but it is up so we can take a look at it. So another thing we'll do is we'll check out that engine component.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, so I didn't latch it all the way. It will latch nice and tight up front. It's tough to do with holding the camera with the one hand, trying to do it with the other. No holes, rips, tears, glass rear window, rear defogger in it. Top's in nice shape. It's going to keep you dry, out of the elements, or you're just trying to stay out of the sun. It can work fine for that too. You can see in the pictures of how it latches up front. So again, I just didn't latch it all the way since I kind of had hands full and tough to do one-handed. All right, there's the soft top. Again, no rips, no tears, no holes. Good shape. All right, let's see if I can get this hood open one-handed. I won't have to pause it for you guys. There we go. 3.9 liter V8 dual overhead cam engine, and nice, clean, tidy engine compartment too. Take a look at the hood liner. Also in nice shape. You can see that all in the still pictures. Every angle of this car, top to bottom, bottom to top. There you go. Like I said, you want to check out the still pictures, see the hard top on it, the soft top up, tops down. Pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call in or email.